Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a custom tune-up report for Larry in Alabama on this Ranger RCI 29 base. If you're new to seeing this radio, don't let it confuse you from the Galaxy 2547. Yes, Ranger did just use the case and the front face, but if you'll notice, you've got 6 bands right there. Okay, and also you've got echo installed. Uses the same board as the 69 base plus. Now, Mr. Larry needed this thing custom tuned to do no more than 50 watts because these radios usually do about 115 to 125 pretty easy. So we've accommodated him. So let's start with RF power all the way down. 25 watt slug. There's a half a watt right there all the way down. 10 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. 1. Good 25 bird average. 100 watt slug and peak. Hello. So it's showing 51 over here. Every meter's going to vary a little bit, but hey, I think that's pretty much spot on the money. So this ought to work out good for you, Larry. We're going to get it out to you today to the big bam. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.